Hello, welcome to Autozon. Today we are going to see our residential garage door. Come, I'll show you how it works. Our Autozon residential garage door is made up of material called GI, and between the two walls of GI, the puff filled PU polyurethane foam filled between the two walls of the GI. And we have 4 types of color options and 4 types of finish in residential garage door. And we have an airbag sensor for safety. Once the door got hit with the humans or any objects, the door will stop and automatically goes back. And this is our shaft operator, which is fixed, can be fixed in the left side or either right side, and we have a manual option also available in case of power failure or any error. And this is our EM, electronic magnetic lock, which is suggested for safety reasons. Thanks for watching. For more further updates, follow our Autozon social media pages. Thank you.